This garlic chive and clam champon is next-level comfort food. Roughly minced the garlic. Cut the garlic chives into 2 to 3 centimeters lengths. Heat the sesame oil and add the garlic and cook until fragrant. Then add the garlic chives and clams, stir-fry briefly, and season with salt and pepper. To prepare champon noodles, bring a pot of water to a boil and wait for 4 minutes. Place the stir-fried garlic chives and clams on top of the champon. Quick to make, rich in umami. One bite and you'll be hooked.